birthday. Birthday. Door open.
Oh. That's not what kind of Spanish is that?
That's Spanish.
No,
Puerta.
Puerta. This is birthday.
Back door.
Right.
I know a birthday. That means open.
Yeah, I don't know Spanish. You know, garbage men make a lot of money. I kind of want to be one.
You'd be a good trash girl. Trash girl.
Trash girl.
Trash.
Trash woman. Oh, so, I think you just put your arm there. I was like, what are you doing? Oh, I thought that. Why did I think that was the Oreo drink still? I was like, you're still drinking that. I'm a savage. Yeah.
Why did we go bang? At the same time. At the same time.
That's when you know you're a dancer.
Oh my god! I'm a dancer!
Congratulations! Ew, this was disgusting. Mini zombie bit me.
I'm always cooking on!
I knew you were gonna do something because I heard you go. I was not expecting that. What the fuck? Oh my god! What the fuck was that? You're a fucking goose. I can't even do it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'm okay. I can't. Oh my god, I'm crying. Okay. Caillou. Bitch. Wanna see some real speed, bitch?
Whoa! Why we go so fucking fast?
Oh.
Wow! I'm Can we get a song, please? Can I get a fucking song, please, bitch?
Can I get a hoya?
Can I get a hoya? Hoya! My feet are sweating.
Me too. My whole body's sweating.
What just possessed me? But I was like,
what was I about to do? Oh, well, let me.
what the fuck? You can watch that back.
For a second. Cry every fucking day. That's the one part that was really funny. What happened?
I goosed.
We were like.
I'm a goose, apparently.
Wait, I'm gonna. Wait, give me a second. Where is it?
I goosed.
That's it? Yep. How was that? I was looking at pictures from like a year. It was really. I smelled like Cheetos. Were you there for that? Yeah, I smelled like Cheetos.
Was it good, Jesse?
No, it's nasty.
We told you.
Yeah. Oh my god.
It happened again. I got possessed.
Wait, what?
I got possessed again.
Wait, it just happened. Oh, right now. I stopped tracking it.
Why did you do that?
Why did I do what?
Stop
Because I
tracking.
got bored. Ooh, I look
Already
scared.
tracks mine.
Okay, Liberty right
Oh.
there in her Jeep. I was just about to say. She goes.
Oh my god. She spells it out. She's like S-E-N-C.
feel like spelling it out is weird.
That makes it even worse.
Because it takes longer to do.
Yeah, like S-E-X. Yeah.
Jesse, you can go.
I just they were turning.
I just looked, it says
signal.
Sometimes
Friday
people
the
do it
29th
without
is just
saying.
varsity.
Alright.
I'm sorry.
I knew you were gonna do something because I heard you go. I'm not expecting that.
Who's that?
It's a Liberty.
But
Liberty!
stop it.
Don't cheer like that.